welcome to the PGA Show. My name's Christopher McCain with Trojan Battery, and today we're here with Sam, and Sam has Trojan Lithium batteries. Sam, can you tell us how your Trojan Lithium batteries are working in your golf cart?
They're, like I was telling you before, they're a game changer. We just had them retrofitted about 3 months ago, and I live at Pinehurst. I live on Pinehurst number 1, and I was able to get around to all the 5 local courses there at the main campus, but it was difficult to get over to 7, 8, and 9. But with the lithium batteries, I have no problem whatsoever. I mean, I'll leave my house at 99% charge, go over to number 8, play 18 holes, come back to my house, and it'll be around 75. So it's absolutely the best thing that we've done since getting our golf cart. And the other aspect that I love is the maintenance. I don't have to worry about adding water every 30 days and that type of situation. So I'm so happy that we did this.
Well, Sam, thank you for joining us here at the PGA Show.